When restoring a patient's smile, there's a lot of different techniques a dentist can use. I'm going to provide you with 3 techniques that we use at Gitlin Dental Group that can help you change your smile. Porcelain veneers and crowns is a great alternative for patients who don't like the shape of their teeth, the texture, or the color. This is a pretty non-invasive and quick way to change your smile. It does require a little bit of a maintenance, and you're probably going to have to get those crowns or veneers redone in the next 10 to 20 years. Single dental implants is a great alternative for patients who are missing a single tooth or missing a single tooth in various parts of their mouth. Using a dental implant, which is a titanium screw, we can give you a very natural looking single tooth made out of porcelain that should last you the rest of your life. Pros of dental implants is that it's an extremely predictable procedure, especially because we practice guided implant surgery. The cons is you do have to get surgery, but it is non-invasive, you heal very quickly, and we use techniques to enhance your healing process and the results that we're going to achieve for you. If you're a patient who's looking for a dramatic change because you're missing several teeth or you have severe wear on your teeth, full arch implant dentistry is a great alternative for you. We're able to restore your chewing function and the confidence of your smile fairly quickly with as few office visits as possible. You do have to get surgery, but we have an answer for that. We offer sedation dentistry. We have a dedicated sedation suite. All of our surgery is guided to provide minimally invasive techniques. And with the use of sedation, we use different medications to keep you comfortable, decrease swelling, and have you wake up with a brand new smile. We'll restore your chewing function and your confidence as fast as possible. All of these techniques to restore your smile are great, but they're not for everyone. Give us a call and see what kind of candidate are you. Let's have a conversation. You'll tell us what you need, and we will tell you how we can provide that.